What's up guys, Lake here, and I just wanted to share a quick video. I actually just got these packages in the mail last night. These are from RunDisney. I already know what they are. These are my placement awards from the Princess Half Marathon that I ran in February. So it's been about 8 weeks, which is the usual time that it takes for them to get here. I believe you can actually see my ones from Princess last year, which are pretty cool. But these are always fun. It's actually a pretty big misconception that guys can't win awards during the Princess Half Marathon. That used to be true, but they actually changed it in 2018. That was the first year that they allowed men to get awards. So I have plaques from them. Now, I didn't win the whole event or anything. These are actually just age group placements, but they still give you a pretty cool plaque for that. And it's always really exciting to get them. I have the ones from Princess over here, and you can't see them, but I'll put a video over me probably right now with the ones from Wine and Dine this year, which are also pretty cool. The plaques are always basically the logo of the race shirt, so the 10K one should look a lot like this. And then the half one, I forget which, should be the pink and blue, I believe. But yeah, these are pretty cool. In the 10K, trying to think what I ran. I think it was about a 44:15 or so. And I got second in my age group for that. And I should have brought something to help me open these, because I am really struggling. Alright, so I got a trusty pair of scissors, so we're going to try this again, and hopefully it goes much better. It's probably very loud. There we go. So, it's trash. They always send you like a letter with it, so I'll go ahead and read that first. Dear Lake Sprinkle, each year thousands of people gather together to run in a RunDisney race, whether it is for fitness, a memory of a loved one, or a cause, or simply for the love of running. We are proud and honored to be your host. This year, during the 2019 Princess Half Marathon weekend, more than 12,000 runners finished the Enchanted 10K. We are pleased to extend our sincere congratulations to you on completing this amazing feat. You are among the elite few who call themselves runners. Your finish time has earned you recognition as second-place winner in the men 18 through 24 division. We congratulate you and hope the memories you made during this race will last a lifetime. On behalf of the thousands of cast members and volunteers who supported you throughout this incredible event, thank you for being part of RunDisney, where every mile is magic. Your RunDisney team. So it's pretty much the same letter that they send you every time, but we have the goods. So this is obviously the 10K, as I said. It's the same logo as the shirt, which are usually pretty cool. I enjoy them. And then we'll go ahead and give you like a good close-up of it right now, kind of as I go through and talk about it. But you can see, obviously, it's Mulan with the sword, and then you have the Shan Yu kind of in the background, which is pretty cool. Enchanted 10K 2019. And then down there on the bottom says male 18-24 second place. So pretty cool, and then it is covered in like a plastic wrap, which I am going to actually take off now. Oh, this is a lot of fun. Yeah, this is always one of my favorite weekends too. The medals and stuff are usually pretty fun, and I don't know. It was my first. The Princess in 2016, I think, was my first Princess. It was either 16 or 15. One of the two. But always a lot of fun. So, there we have the 10K. And now we will go ahead and open up the half marathon one. I am excited too. I should get one for the 10K from Star Wars this year. This is the same exact letter as that, except it says the half marathon instead of the 10K. So, won't go through reading that. But this is pretty cool. I believe this is actually a little bit different in the color, because I believe the shirt was similar. Oh no, the shirt was pink with that logo. Um, so we get a kind of a nicer blue instead of the pink, which is pretty cool, pretty different. Um, but let's take a look. So you see it's Aurora, and she's like holding up her crown, which is interesting. And then behind you can see the silhouette of Maleficent, obviously Princess Half Marathon 2019. And then you have male 18 through 24, third place. So pretty cool. I like getting these. It's a pretty cool keepsake from the races, and something that a good amount of people get because they do a lot of age groups, but you can't just buy these, which is pretty fun. Plus, I do like to hang them up in the background here. Maybe I need to rearrange them so that they're all together at some point. But yeah, we'll go ahead and take a look, and I'll also go through and show you a look at both of them together, probably right now as I'm taking off the wrapper on this. Yeah, there we go. So, that's all I had for you. Just wanted to share some pretty cool mail I got. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, make sure to like and subscribe below. We also have links to all of our other social media. We're particularly active on Instagram, but we also share basically everything to our Facebook and also our website, themousegen.com. So make sure to check it out. Thanks, guys.